Dainik Jagran, a prominent Hindi daily, has been scrutinized for publishing misleading information about RSS Sarsanchalak Dr. Mohan Bhagwat. The newspaper claimed that Bhagwatji made a public statement in Gorakhpur, purportedly commenting on BJP National President JP Nadda's remarks concerning the Sangh. However, these claims have been proven false, further reinforcing the audience's confidence in the accuracy of the information provided. The fake report claimed that Sarsan Chalakji said that every citizen in our country has the freedom to express their thoughts openly. The organization has no role in JP Nadda's statement. The article further suggested that Bhagwatji's statement should not be juxtaposed with the policies of the BJP or the RSS. However, RSS Akhil Bharati Prachar Pramukh Sunil Ambekar denounced these claims as baseless. He tweeted that Bhagwatji had not made any such public statement in Gorakhpur. Currently, Bhagwatji is engaged in a nationwide tour for a training program organized by the Sangh, which underscores the factual inaccuracy of Dainik Jagran's report. The alleged statement attributed to Bhagwatji in Dainik Jagran addressed recent remarks by JP Nadda, who in a media interview emphasized the BJP's independent capabilities, suggesting diminishing reliance on the RSS. Nadda implied that the BJP has reached a stage where it no longer perceives the RSS as essential for its operations. In response to this assertion, Bhagwatji, during an interaction with trainees from the Sangh's eastern region at SVEM Public School, reportedly characterized the RSS as a deliberative forum distinct from the BJP's political operations. He addressed questions regarding this matter, reassuring attendees that there was no need to overanalyze his remarks. This clarification gives the audience a deeper understanding of the RSS' primary focus on fulfilling organizational objectives through continuous effort, enhancing their awareness of the situation.